Hello everyone, in this video I will share about that version Forex trading journal I created to track my Forex trading performance. This Forex trading journal is designed for traders who want to track their trading performance and strategy over a 12-month period and obtain a detailed weekly, monthly strategy overview and overall overview of their trading activity. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to use this trading journal. Before you start using this trading journal, you need to go to the Start tab, input your starting month and years. You can input any months and years and it will automatically list out all the 12 months below. Then input your account starting balance and define your trading strategy. For those who don't use English as your primary language, you can change some of the keywords in the journal to your own language by replace the words in the light gray cell. Once you finish setting out your journal, you can start inputting your trading data. Before you place any trade, you can use the Forex position sizing calculator in this spreadsheet to calculate number of lots to trade by keying your account net liquidation value, risk percentage per trade, how many percent of your account you are willing to risk for one trade. Select the currency pair from the drop-down list and also input your stop loss distance in number of picks. For most currency pair except the yen pair, one pick is the fourth digit after the decimal in the currency pair. For yen pair, one pick is the second digit after the decimal point of the currency code. Besides, you can also use margin calculator to calculate required margin to open the trade by select the currency pair from the drop-down list, input the number of lot size and your leverage. These two Forex calculators are very useful as you only need to input the details of your trade and it will automatically do the calculation for you, save you a lot of time. After you have determined the lot size to trade, entry price, stop loss price and target price, you can place the trade and record your trade details in the Trading Journal tab. Input the data on the light gray cell. First, input your trade number, your entry date and time. Make sure the date and time fall within the 12 months from your starting date and time and in the correct format. Select the direction from the drop-down list. Enter your lot size, leverage. Select currency pair from the drop-down list. There are a total of 78 currency pairs, metals, indices, and commodities that you can trade using this trading journal. Next, select your strategy from the drop-down list. Input your time frame, input the currency pair price, stop loss price, and take profit price. After you input the open position details, the cells in the dark gray under the risk management will automatically calculate the position size and required margin. The position size and required margin only calculate for Forex pair, no indices, metals, and commodities. And then it will also calculate the maximum profit, maximum loss, risk percentage per trade, and maximum risk to reward ratio. After you close the trade, just input the trade details such as exit date and time, exit price, and commission. The spreadsheet is linked to the live currency rate. The point value will change daily according to the rate and you will notice changes in realized profit according to the changes in point value. If you want to fix the point value, manually select the point value cells, manually input the last point value you saw and press enter. If you deposit or withdraw funds from your trading account, put a dash sign on the trade number column, input the date of funds deposit or withdrawal, and input the amount of deposit or withdrawal. If you withdraw money, remember to put a minus sign in front of the amount. In this trading journal, there is also a weekly report and a monthly report to keep track of your weekly and monthly trading performance and strategy. Head over to the weekly report tab, select the week number from the drop-down list. It will list out all the trades taken on that week. There is also a summary showing your account details such as your starting and ending capital, your total profit and loss on that week, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic charts here will show your account balance, your total profit and loss by currency pair, the performance by each strategy on the selected week, the cumulative profit and loss, and the account drawdown according to the week number you selected. Next, head over to the monthly report. There is a drop-down list here for you to select the month you want to build and it will list out all the trades you have taken on the selected month. This monthly report will show a summary of your trading account such as your starting and ending capital, your profit and loss, your win rate, and your average return per trade. The dynamic chart here will show your account balance, your total profit and loss by currency pair, your strategy performance, your cumulative profit and loss, and your account drawdown according to the month you select. It is very important to analyze the performance of every strategy we use for Forex trading. So I created strategy performance dashboard and strategy statistic graph and table for you to know how each of your individual trading strategies are performing. This allows you to identify which strategies are working well and which may need to be improved. From the drop-down list above, just select your strategy and it will list out all the trades that taken using the selected strategy. It also shows the summary and statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. Besides that, you can filter by currency pair to find the win rate for a particular currency pair when using the strategy by clicking on the funnel sign on currency pair. Select the name of the currency pair and the statistic will be shown accordingly. There is also a strategy statistic to show you the best and worst performing strategy and for you to compare the performance of each strategy throughout the period of 12 months in terms of R multiple. Finally, the most important part of this journal is the main trading dashboard. It provides a comprehensive overview of your trading activity over a 12-month period. It displays your account summary such as the total profit and loss, win rate, and account statistics such as average win, average loss. It also shows your 12 monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss, R multiple, and winning and losing trade. The interactive and dynamic chart automatically update when you input data into your trading journal. The pie chart here shows your trade performance such as the number of winning or losing trade as well as long or short trade. The graph and bar chart display your account balance, account drawdown, monthly winning and losing trade, monthly performance in terms of R multiple, monthly performance by profit and loss, cumulative profit and loss, performance by currency pair, and performance by strategy. As a conclusion, using a trading journal is very important if you are serious in Forex trading and want to improve your performance in Forex trading. The trading journal will show you the statistics of your strategy and trading activity, which allows you to learn from your past experience and make adjustments to your trading plan. It also serves as a record for tax and accounting purposes. Overall, a Forex trading journal is a valuable tool for traders of all levels to improve their trading performance and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below if you want to find out more about this Forex trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, do give a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.